know some of the healthiest meals are not expensive, complicated, or stressful to prepare? Hello beautiful people, welcome to Empress Recipes. Today I'll be preparing a simple healthy breakfast through brunch using 2 ripe plantains, some handful of spinach, and 3 eggs. Come along with me. The first thing I'll be doing is washing my plantains properly because I'll be boiling them with the skin on. This helps remove dirt and impurity from the surface. Cooking plantains with a peel helps preserve moisture while boiling. I love keeping things simple and natural. Sometimes the traditional way is still the best way. After washing the plantains, I'll get a clean pot, get a knife, and cut the plantains into 4 pieces and place them into the pot. Next, I'll be adding enough water into the plantains. Now, I'll carry my pot straight to the burner, switch it on, place my pots on the burner and allow these to boil. While the plantains are boiling, into my bowl I'll crack in 3 eggs and I'll be putting in my pepper mix. Now I'll give this a very good mixing. I want the eggs to incorporate with the pepper. Next I'll be adding my sea salt, ginger and natural seasoning and onions, and I'll give this a very good mix. Some of you will say I'm supposed to fry the onions in the oil, but no, this is how I love this particular recipe. I want the egg to mix properly with the onions. So after whisking this, next I'll be adding my diced spinach. This instantly adds color, freshness and extra nourishment to the meal. Now I whisk everything together properly so all the ingredients combine beautifully. This mix becomes rich, colorful and full of goodness. Into my pan goes a little coconut oil. Then I'll pour in my egg mixture gently. I'll allow it cook slowly on low heat. Low heat helps the egg cook softly without burning. After a few moments, I'll use my spatula to gently fold and turn the eggs repeatedly. As I gently fold and stir the eggs, they slowly begin to come together into a soft, fluffy curd. The aroma in the kitchen at this point is absolutely beautiful. The spinach, onions and seasoning blend perfectly into the egg. Everything looks soft, colorful and nourishing. I'll be getting my plates and I'll be putting in my cooked plantains. They are soft and beautifully cooked. I'll be adding my fluffy spinach eggs by the side, and of course I had to add extra lettuce because I truly love vegetables. The truth is, fresh vegetables makes meal feel alive and refreshing. The plate looks colorful, balanced and satisfying. I love combining nourishing meals with refreshing drinks, so I'll be having lemon water. Now it's finally time to enjoy this beautiful meal. This breakfast or brunch is so satisfying, comforting and filling. It gives that peaceful feeling after eating. Not too heavy, not too light, just balanced. The sweetness of the plantain with the Savoy egg taste amazing together. Now tell me in the comment section, will you be giving this a try? Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Empress Recipes. Remember, your health is your wealth. Don't joke with it, stay healthy.